Math Genie.
Hey guys, this is Math Genie. Before I start, I want to say Merry Christmas to all of you guys who are watching my video right now. By this video upload, it's probably going to be Christmas Day. And I really want to say that I hope you guys all have a blessed holiday season with your family during this not so good time of the year. The year 2020 has, of course, not been the best year to all of our memories. However, I think this year was a little bit more special to me since I was able to start this amazing YouTube channel, post videos on topics that I really enjoy talking about. So I want to say thank you to all of you guys for watching my videos. And without further ado, I really want to go ahead and do something a little bit more different than usual. So as you can see, the screen is a little bit different from where I usually start, right? So I usually have a black screen with different diagrams and problem written on them, but today I want to do something a little bit more different because I suppose that you guys really don't want to solve math problems on Christmas Eve, right? So today I'll be showing you guys a really amazing website that you guys should definitely go check out after watching this video because it helped me so much. It helped a lot of my friends a lot with math in general. So I really want to introduce you guys to that particular website. So let's go ahead and look at that particular website. So it's called Art of Problem Solving. A lot of you guys might have heard of before. So Art of Problem Solving is basically a website where they provide free materials that you can use to practice math, specifically for competitions such as Math Counts or AMC, since Aops does partner with those big math competitions, right? So when you go to the official website, you can see this is where you are directed to when you first open the site. So it first give you some not free sources. So you have some sources that you can get where you can actually pay for. So you can have different math textbooks, and they also offer tutors or courses or classes that you can actually go and listen to. I have never I've never tried these courses before. But however, I really want to say that you guys should probably check this out because this website is really trustworthy. And I believe that all the teachers who are teaching on this website are very good. So I really want to say if you guys are interested, you guys can go ahead, and these are all the class categories that they offer. There are a lot more. As you can see, you can view full course list afterwards. So this is some non-free materials that they do offer on this website. But today, this is not the one that I want to focus on. The particular thing on this website I want to focus on is this resources tab. So it's in the very right corner here. And this is where they offer free resources, but their quality is spectacular. So I want to go ahead and look at those resources. So as you can see here on the very far left, you have math training and tools, and I want to show you guys some of the different tools that are offered on this website. And the first one is Alchemist. So let's go to Alchemist. So Alchemist is a source that I really like to use a lot. This is where you basically use this and you can solve different types of problems. So you can actually log in and sign up. So I'll just log in to my account. It's really easy for you guys to create an account on this particular website because it's just put your email in, your age, and some of your basic personal information, and you can definitely access all of these sources. So this is the first resource I want to show you guys, and this is basically where they give you guys different random problems that appear in math competitions. There's different like pre-algebra, geometry, algebra, and algebra 2, and further a lot more that you guys can access. And for example, they will give you this one problem, and for example, let's actually try to get this problem right? So if x equals -3, then what is this equation, right? So we put -3 here, it'll be 6, 9, 54, and 54 squared. You get 2,916, right? You can use calculators on this, of course. So when you submit it, correct, right? So they give you guys a full detailed explanation on how to solve this answer. So if you're not really sure if you solved it correctly or if you don't think you solved it the best way, you can obviously check out this solution that they give you. They also give you the answer and the solution. So I really highly encourage you to actually go through this, even if you guys get the question right, because sometimes you guys go along the harder way or there are some tricks that you guys can use. And this is basically the best part about Alchemist. So let's say, for example, you go to the next problem and you have no idea how to solve this particular question, for example. Let me just guess and put 0, right? So when you get these type of questions wrong, they'll give you your answer is incorrect. So maybe you want to try one more time. But if you just don't understand how to solve this problem, there is one way to get by this problem. This is basically just give up. So if you press the button OK, they will give you a detailed explanation again. So even if you get it wrong or right, they'll give you the solution immediately right like this. So you can go through this, see it, and for example, if you don't understand it fully, you can refer to some of the videos that they offer. So for example, this is a video that you can go to, and here the teacher would explain how to solve problems like these. So if you're stuck on any of these particular problems on particular concepts, you can obviously refer to these videos that they do offer, which I think is like the best part about Alchemist. So this is how you can use this. And another best part about this is you can go to, for example, report, and they will give you reports on all of this. So for example, let's say you got this question wrong, right? They will give you if you got it wrong or if you got it right or if you got it right the second time, like they will give you all of this thing, and they'll also tell you like when you solve these problems. So for example, the last time I actually used Alchemist is in 2017. And for example, they give you when you use this, so you can see how I solved these problems and I was in middle school. And now I don't really use Alchemist as much because it's basically more heavily focused on pre-algebra and algebra. So if you guys are in middle school and want to focus and master these concepts and these subjects, I really highly encourage you guys to use this. Even if you guys aren't preparing for math competitions, this is a great source for you to do practice problems. And they will give you, for example, your progress here, and if you guys got it wrong or got it right, and you can see here the number of problems that you solved, and then like how many percent you got it right, and etc. That was Alchemist. The second source I want to introduce you guys is videos, and videos, you guys just saw it, but it's basically they give you different free videos that basically where the teacher comes out and he basically explains these different types of problems, and these problems are so useful for math counts, and I really highly encourage you guys to actually check this page out because they really give you guys detailed explanations on how to solve these particular type of problems. So be sure to check this site out, also this page out. And my favorite page now is going to be Math Counts Trainer. So I basically lived with this page, right? This was just on my computer screen all day long. And this is basically where you can train for math counts in particularly. So basically here, you can play on here. So when you type you can actually go here and they give you, for example, your level and then like your school rating. And this is basically where you can see the question and you solve the question and you submit it. So let me just guess this for time matters. You got it wrong, right? So this is basically, they also give you a detailed explanation and they give you how to solve these problems, and this is like a better way. I think I prefer this over Alchemist because they give you more problems that are more suited for math counts. For example, Alchemist is more focused on like not so hard problems where you have to actually use your brain a little bit more. These problems are actually problems that are suited for competitions. So if you just want to practice math in general, you can use Alchemist. However, if you're really particularly interested in solving competition problems, I really highly encourage you guys to use this trainer page. And of course, you guys can use all of these sources, and there are a lot more sources here. For example, if you go to contest, they are partnered with AMC and MathCons and a lot of other competitions. So if you can go here, you have upcoming events. So if you're interested in participating in any of these competitions, and if your school does offer registrations. You guys can go check this also page out. Also, they give you guys a lot of different news and everything. So Alchemist is literally one of the best resources that I really want to say that you guys should definitely check out. Personally, I am currently using AMC um, sources that they do offer. So, for example, you can go to like, for example, AMC 10, 2020, 2021 problems. And if you go there, they give you guys 2021 AMC 10A problems here, as you can see. So you can access problem number 1, and they actually give you guys different problems. So better way to actually do it, since 2021 just came out, I want to say that they do offer. Currently, I'm solving 2020 questions, so I was solving these questions a couple of days ago, and they do offer practice problems like this, right? They don't offer it for math counts on this particular page. However, I use this for AMC problems because I am more used to math counts problems than AMC problems, so I am currently focusing on AMC problems so I can master that first. So in conclusion, I knew this video was very hectic and not so well organized. However, I want to say that this particular website is probably one of the best free resources out there. Just waiting for you guys to just access this. If I could, I really want to go through every single page on this website and tell you guys how good this website is. However, due to time reasons, and I don't want to take away your precious time during your Christmas day, so if you guys just want to go ahead and check this page out in your free time and see what sources that they do offer, this is an amazing source again, and I hope you guys can benefit by using this amazing website. Thank you for staying until the end of this video, and again, happy holidays, and I hope you guys have a blessed day today.
Math Genie.